Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to upgrade your MTN mobile money account to the top tier. Yeah. So if you're thinking of, upgrading your mobile money account to the top tier because maybe your daily transaction is less and you want more, then this particular video is for you. And normally MTN automatically upgrades customer to the top tier when they keep using the MTN mobile money. When they keep using MTN mobile money. Yeah. So that shouldn't be a problem. But if you want to upgrade yours, then this particular video again is for you. And no, for subscribers, the top tier, your daily transaction limit is 15,000. Yeah, 15,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So if yours does not reach that limit, meaning you are not in the top tier. Yeah. So to do that, dial the USSD code *170# and select six my wallet. Six my wallet. And select 7, that's upgrade profile type. So when you tap on the 7 upgrade profile type, MTN will ask you some questions, then your account will be upgraded. Yeah, but as I said earlier on, normally MTN upgrades, you know, subscribers to the top tier automatically. Yeah, so as you can see in here, I'm already on a top tier. Yeah, so as I said, keep using the MTN mobile money and you'll be upgraded to the top tier. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also, give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.